go, and today we're going to be opening this. It already has a hole, so we might as well open it. Very squishy. What it does. Squish, 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 squish. Ah! Well, now we're going to be cutting it open. So, might as well just get started. So we have a cup to get everything in. So, I think we might want to cut it at the hole of it. So here we go. Cutting it. Okay? Did that do anything? I don't think it is. Okay, you can get this. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Oh, that is mushy. Look at that. By the way, these are really sharp scissors, so do not use these at home. You can use them, but you need an adult. And wow, look at that. It's like, do not eat this. It looks like a marshmallow, but oh, look at that. Ah, that's so cool. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see this? Does my camera need to focus? But look at that. All that ooze just coming out. Oh. So satisfying. It's weird. Now I got on myself. That's why I have a rug. Not a rug, Ivy. A mat or something. Ignore that. Let's just squish. Great. I got it all over my fingers. Well, let's cut this. Oh, come on. I was going to put that in my mouth. Duh, I'm not going to do that. Whoa. Look at all that. It's slime. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Well. I got messy. Well, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of a video. Bye guys.